Hey guys, we're opening football cards. Ooh, new football cards. Ooh. And they're gonna be. Got the Big Ten. Guys, we're unboxing this. Hello. Okay. Hello. Good. It's taking a while. Okay, I can try and open this. Oops. Nope. Opened it. Okay, what do we have inside? We have this. This is. Massive amount of cards. And another pair of cards.
Ooh, they look like special ones.
Should we open them?
Yeah, open them and I'll sort them all out for you, sweetheart. Don't tear them or bend them, please.
Okay. Yeah, I'm so excited. Really excited for this. We're getting him. This. I think I got anything special.
Space seems to be their selling point. Well, they are 12'6" if you join them together.
Yeah, I didn't get anyone special.
I think what's really interesting about this base is when you've got so much house.
Isn't that
Not
okay. I will put them.
Bless. He's a model student.
I'm opening these ones. These ones look good.
Yes, absolutely.
These look like good ones.
Absolutely inspired.
Oops. Alright, look at the hole. Ooh, gold limited edition.
Hey, what?
Gold limited edition.
Ooh.
You're right, Phil. And although this place gives them everything they want, I've got a feeling something's worrying Mike.
Card life. And oh, Daddy.
Oh, Crystal Palace, yeah.
Odd indeed.
Oh, and I got another.
Chelsea, come with you, boy.
And
I'm enthusiastic about
what else did I get? Gets good.
the positive aspects.
Shiny.
I thought for Mike,
All I care about
the
is
size would
shiny.
overrule everything. Apparently not.
No, so I really like the house. The space is amazing, but I think the overall commute from here would be much longer than it would be a film.
Oh, it looks like there's some in there further down. Don't bend them.
This in Leytonstone.
Nope, that's it.
What, Hurricane?
Yeah, then what is this?
I don't know, show me.
This? Wait, can I see the camera for a second? Wait, can I see the camera? No.
Back in St Albans, it seems our gentle prodding about any future family aims really hit home with Liz and Carl.
These.
What would probably come into the conclusion is that that family plan is very, very likely to be the plan. That means thinking about how they manage the mortgage if they had just a single salary. Anything around the 400 would be, down, just under 400 would start to make things easier to plan.
I think that is very, very sensible, but it does throw some very large challenges into my search, given that I've got an absolute blinder to show you in Suburbans at 450,000.
Tell me, sweetheart.
It's pushing it.
All laughing aside, it's a whole new search, and the properties we've seen so far don't work for it.
I think he's opening it.
Less to spend, but they still want the same.
Oh, yep, he's got it. The switch. The swap.
And outside space.
The swap.
Owning frenzy.
That. What is this? I need to work out what this is.
half an hour
Is it a magnet?
to trim.
No, it ain't gonna stick on you. Put it on the tin.
Which should definitely appeal.
Don't think so.
Living here would mean a
Well, it's just a lucky coin, I think.
and a 40-minute
Yeah.
train ride to London for Liz.
Well, don't damage it or break it. It
What are
might
you
be,
gonna choose?
might be worth £1,000.
Maybe.
Triangle Conservation Area.
Could be. What's that?
Well, you're going to take this because I want a cup of tea.
I do well.
It's not about you, Phil.
Put it flat. Put it flat.
It is
Yeah.
There you go. There you go.
Got all this stuff. Oh, there's little cards. Okay. Okay, guys, I think we got a lot of cards there. Yeah, guys, I think we got a lot of cards there. So that was just a random video of me unboxing and football cards, basically. So yeah, my God.
Yes.
What is that creature? Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. And goodbye. Dun, 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 dun.